The following study here, initiated by Franco, Pinto, and Ercoli, was another systematic review with meta-analysis, and this focused more specifically on 4% CHG on the surgical site infection rate, and this was compared to a placebo. So 3 databases were searched, including any randomized controlled trials with specifically 4% CHG. With that being said, a total of 10,655 patients' data was studied and discovered with this systematic review. And of that, 243 were primary studies, but only 8 were actually considered to be appraised. The independent variable was the preoperative bathing solution, and the dependent variable was the surgical site infection rate. Again, this was a measurement a study that used the measurement of nominal and statistical findings the data analysis included descriptive statistics, statistical significance, meta-analysis, and heterogeneity, if I could pronounce it, heterogeneity. Additional controlled studies are needed. So in reference to the findings, this study was a little bit more difficult because considering all the data that was concluded, the findings basically show that more data was needed in order to have any, in order to identify any implications within the study. So no significant reduction in surgical site rate was found, and then additional data is needed. It is a level 1, but it's a low quality. Going on to the next study, it is a Hunter, Dawson, Sowen, and Baumhau. It's a prospective randomized study, so it's a little bit different. Let's see. There were 2 separate groups. So this is more of a smaller study. So of the 2 groups, the CHG group was only 46, and then the opposing group was only 49 individuals. Independent variable considered order of solution of application. And then dependent variable was, of course, then of that order of solution, what effect did it have on the dependent variable or the surgical site infection. It was nominal as well, use of descriptive statistics, and the findings was that applying the CHG was found to be more effective versus the opposing group, and it was a level 1 with good quality.